how to reset your password on Darwinbox. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can reset your password on Darwinbox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Darwinbox app on your mobile. Over here, you will see two login options: login with QR code and enter organization URL. After that, tap on enter organization URL and type in the correct URL provided by your organization. Then tap on the right arrow button to proceed. Now, you will see the login page where you need to enter your username. Over here, use either your employee ID or the registered email ID linked to your Darwinbox account. Then scroll up and tap on Forgot Password. On the next page, remove the username and enter your registered email ID correctly. If there are any extra spaces, make sure to remove them. After that, tap on Send Email. If the email ID is registered, you will receive a password reset email. Now go to your inbox and check for an email from Darwinbox. Over here, tap on the click here link in the email to proceed with resetting your password. Then select a browser like Chrome to open the reset page. Over here, enter your new password, making sure it meets the required criteria. Minimum of 8 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one special character, at least one number. After that, confirm your new password and tap on change. Once your password is successfully reset, go back to the login page, enter your credentials, and sign in. So that's how you can reset your password on Darwinbox. That's all for this video.